Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix YouTube Incognito mode not showing. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. Now, if you're having problems with your YouTube app here and Incognito is not appearing, well, there are a few things that you may want to do. Now, the first and easiest trick that you could try doing here is you may want to change the orientation of the actual app. Now, in some cases, YouTube may bug out. So in this case, you want to go ahead and just change the orientation to landscape. So let's go and just change this to landscape. And you want to go and just go back to portrait. So you can go and just rotate your phone accordingly. And once you've done that, you can go and just click on your profile at the bottom right of your screen. Click on the accounts at the top left, and you should be able to see the section here that says turn on incognito. Now, they've changed this a bit here. So usually if you click on accounts at the top left, you should be able to see the turn on incognito section. Now, if that is not appearing, the next thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that the app is fully updated. So before you update the app, so you want to go and press and hold on the YouTube app here until you are going to see this pop up here. And you want to go and click on app info. Click on the option here that says clear data at the bottom right of your screen. Click on clear cache. Again, just click on clear cache, nothing else. And you want to go and click on OK. Now, once you've done that, you want to go and exit this page, go to Google Play Store, go to the search bar here, and just type in YouTube and go and search for it. Now, once you do see YouTube here, go and open it up. And if you do see any update button, go and click on update. Just wait for a while. And once update's complete, go and restart your phone and see if that actually solves your issue. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.